I think I always had issues with my hips. I just learned how to cope with it, really. As I got older, it didn't really start affecting me until the last 10 years. I've had to use a walker for at least 4 or 5 years. And in that, I wasn't moving my legs properly. I started kind of dragging my legs. It was just really painful to even try to move. I knew I needed to do something with my hips. I went in to see Dr. McCoy, and they did some x-rays and stuff, and they said, oh yeah, you're bad. They're both shot. Let's get your hips fixed.
What's unique with Julie and her situation was that she had so much pain and really advanced arthritis in both hips. She had gotten to a point where she was almost completely debilitated. Hip replacement surgery can sound pretty scary, but we do it in the least invasive way possible. Even for Julie, the goal was to get up and walk on the hip the same day of surgery. Even though she had bad arthritis in both hips, our goal was still to get her up walking and using her newly replaced hip right away, with the goal to actually be able to go home the same day of surgery, which she was able to achieve.
I was amazed with the robotics part of it, and that I was going to be out in the same day. And as a matter of fact, when I was in the operating prep room for my first hip, he was scheduling my second one already, because he knew that my goal was to be up and moving by March, by my son's wedding. My stitches healed up really well. Everything went really, really well. My husband too, we were both really excited that it was healed so fast.
It was a tight time frame to plan kind of back-to-back hip replacements and for her to recover, and I had promised her that I thought we could get her back and get her ready in time to get to her son's wedding.
Just to walk him down the aisle and to hear him say, "Mom, I love you and I'm proud of you." That just, to me, my heart just burst. It was just like, oh my God. Just myself attaining that goal gives me more encouragement to myself to keep going, to reach my other goals. And that's kind of where I'm at now. I've got a job, I'm back up working again.
She was almost a different person after both her hips were done. She was walking up straight and just happier and really motivated to continue to get active. And it wasn't just her hips, but she has been quite dedicated to being healthier overall. Yeah, in patient interactions just like this, they're exactly why I do what I do. It makes me feel awesome to be even a small part of it, to help people get their lives back.